नित्यानंदेश्वर समारंभां नित्यानंदेश्वरी मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वंदे गुरु परंपराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis sitting with us around the world at this moment through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, Lotus News Channel, Janashri TV, Ishwar TV, and through two-way video conferencing in 25 places, having Nayana Diksha in 25 countries around the world. As per the statistics, cities sitting with us: Seattle Chidambaram, Guadalupe Rameshwaram, Toronto Kailasam, Los Angeles Arunachalam, Nityananda Nagaramu Hyderabad, Ohio Prayag, Bangalore Uttarahalli, San Jose Madurai, Oklahoma Somanatham, Tiruvannur Chennai, Bangalore Malleshwaram, New Zealand Adi Arunachalam, San Diego La Jolla, Singapore Singapuram, Dakota Dunes, Hyderabad Guptakashi, Port Washington New York, Dubai Vaidyanatham, Bogota Colombia, Singapore Singapuram, Nityananda Nagara Bididi, Enriching Temple Bididi, Kuala Lumpur Payani, Molieres France, Oman Sivagangai. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, Nityanandotsava, third day celebrations. Today we are also celebrating the Leela of feeding Ganesha. In Bididi, Utsava Murti of Paramahamsa Nityananda is decorated, reminding this Leela feeding Ganapati in Swarna Nagavagana. Swarna Seshavagana means golden Seshavagana. And today, Rudra Homa and 1008 Sankabhisheka in Bididi, 2 p.m. Indian time, Rudra Homa 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Today, 20th day of inner awakening. Today we are going to work on the ultimate reality. Chit Jada Grandhi Vedana means realizing your pure consciousness. That is the ultimate reality. Today, we will be working on that. Tomorrow, establishing yourself in that very state. Being established in the ultimate reality is Sahaja, Sangha. The state of Sahaja happens in you with the right Sangha. What is actually Satsanga? Satsanga is nothing but being with a person or a space where the truth is again infused into you. If you have the right people around you, right Sangha around you, spending time with everyone is Satsanga. How many of you really found now your whole group has become Satsanga for you? That's all. Just learn the art of creating this group wherever you are. Don't doubt your spouse can never be made into this group. Don't doubt your son can never be. No. Your family, your colleagues, your team, your spouse, everyone can become satsanga, can become part of you. We will be doing the Sangha Sankalpa tomorrow. Today, we will work on the ultimate reality. How the Chit and Jada is separated. Chit Jada Grandhi Vedana happens. Chit and Jada, Chit Jada Grandhi Vedana happens. Please listen. Chit, consciousness, Jata, matter. Unfortunately, you connect both and get confused. Chit Jada Grandhi Vedana means liberating your consciousness from matter. I can say, helping you wake up the decisive component of life, helping you to realize the decisive component of life. Satsanga means infusing this truth again and again into you. I tell you that essence of all the satsangs of this year, I said I will be giving you the essence in the next few satsangs. Essence of all the satsangs this year, essence of all the satsangs I've ever done from my birth is nothing but just this message. Please listen. It is all about increasing your capability to infuse the truth in you and in others. That's all. Increasing the capability to enrich you and enrich others. That's all. That's all is the essence of life on the planet Earth. Essence of the life in the universe. Essence of life in the universe is neither money, nor infrastructural development, or just some social power or relationships. The essence of human life, goal of human life, purpose of life in the universe is expanding your ability to infuse the great spiritual truths in you, enriching you and enriching others. That's all. Ability to enrich you and enrich others. It is all just the strength with which you enrich yourself, the strength with which you enrich others. This whole inner awakening level 4 is nothing but awakening your strength to enrich you and awakening your strength to enrich others. That's all. Not just intelligence and inspiration, even the skill. Sometimes intelligence is different, skill is different. Intelligence, when it's applied, it becomes skill. Tomorrow, after the satsang, first time we are going to have glimpses of my inner awakening. Means all of you are going to share your inner awakening experience with the world. Tomorrow I will give little time during the satsang itself. I will give you guys the little time. End of the day, your success is dependent on your ability to speak into the listener's listening. Your spiritual progress is dependent on your ability to speak into the listening of you and your ability to listen, you are speaking. Your ability to listen to you and your ability to speak into the listening of you decides your spiritual growth. Many times people come and tell me, I am not able to convince myself to drop the incompletion. Means you are not able to speak into your listening. Speak into your listening. Speak into your listening. Speak into your listening. There is no shortcut. There is no crosscut. Shortest distance between 2 points is straight line. So, shortest route for anything is straight line and straight path, straight route. Ability to speak into the listening of yourself is completion. Please understand, I am defining completion. Ability to speak into the listening of yourself is ability to complete. That is the ability to complete. It is all about developing your ability to speak into your listening, developing your ability to speak into others' listening, developing your ability to give authentic listening to yourself, developing the ability to provide authentic listening to others. That's all. That's all. How many ever words I may use, new words. How many ever new words you may use. It is all about ability to provide authentic listening to yourself and ability to provide authentic listening to others. Ability to speak into your listening and ability to speak into the listening of the others. That's all. These great truths are such an experiential truths. I am not able to cloak them with more words. They are the truths of naked philosophers, nirvanis. Words are like a cloth. I am not able to put more clothes on the truths of these great naked philosophers of the world. I can say this is the first word given to Hindus by Christians, naked philosophers. That's the first word with which they identified us. I can say maybe naked liberated beings, naked enlightened beings. The truth I am talking, Chit Chata Grandhi Vedana, is such powerful truth. It is such beautiful truth. So I will just allow this naked truth mirroring itself in all your brains. Sit straight, close your eyes, cognize you have become Vidhi Kalpavriksha and listen authentically whatever goes on inside you and give authentic listening to yourself. Please listen. Now provide authentic listening to yourself. At the same time, when you want to complete, speak into the listening of yourself. Mirror the neuron activities of the cosmic super brain, the Kalpavriksha and the Master. Let you all experience Kundalini awakening. Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya.
Nityanandaya Namo Nityanandaya Namo Nityanandaya Namo Nityanandaya Namo Nityanandaya Namo Nityanandaya Namo.
I bless you all, to the enrichers and niraharis. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching with eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.